You got it.
You dropped it. Here, Bubby, get another one. Tell Daddy he gave you one.
From one at a time.
His pants are falling off.
Here,
Yay! Bubby. Bubby.
Here, dude.
Bubby, say SpongeBob.
Dropping half of them.
He's picking them up.
Yay!
These are half decent though. They're actually popping when I drop them.
Good boy! Yay! Bubby, say yay!
Here, Noah. You need to pull
Fix
your
his pants.
They won't. They're not gonna stay. You might maybe roll them down at the waist, and they might stay.
Yay!
Here, Noah. They only pop once.
He's got some good eyes though to be able to find them.
Yeah.
Oh, go get it.
Throw it again. Here, dude.
Throw it.
Well, at least it'll rain and wash all these little things down into the gutter.
Noah, Noah, Noah. Say SpongeBob. SpongeBob. SpongeBob.
Here.
You're not gonna say it? He sounds so cute when he says it.
Got one more bag.
It's not funny.
Here he's saying letters. Pointing to those letters up there.
Noah, SpongeBob. Hey, SpongeBob. No.
SpongeBob.
Too busy. Say SpongeBob.
Annabelle, that one's not gonna work.
No.
No, say SpongeBob.
Annabelle.
Yay! Good job, Bubby. Yay! I like how he tries to keep picking them up. Yay!